I'm not even really chewing gum. It's fake, acting.
Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know. Third base!
Let me tell you something, Hickory Stick. A baseball can't tell you how it feels, okay? You try talking to a baseball, and you got problems.
Rainbows, puppy dogs, and smiley faces. It's make-believe! I like to go to that channel that tells you what's on TV. I find Frank TV, and then boom, I flip to that channel. Then again, I watch the static channel, and that's where I get a lot of the things I say from. I'm not ready yet. Okay. I didn't say I was ready. When I'm ready, I will tell you I'm ready, okay?